Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyberpink. In today's video, we're going to solve Over-the-Wire Bandit Level 1 step-by-step. This series is made for educational purposes to help beginners learn Linux, networking, and cybersecurity by understanding the concepts instead of just copying commands. Before we begin, make sure you've already completed Bandit Level 0 and have the password for Level 1. If you haven't, you can check the previous video in this playlist. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. To log into Bandit Level 1, use the SSH command, press Enter, then paste the password you obtained from Level 0. Remember, when you type or paste a password into the Linux terminal, nothing will appear on the screen. That's completely normal. Just press Enter after pasting the password. Once you're logged in, let's see what files are in the current directory. Type ls. You'll notice there's a file named dash. This is where many beginners get confused. Normally, Linux treats a dash or hyphen as an option for a command rather than as a file name. So if you simply type cat dash, it won't read the file. The terminal waits for input from your keyboard. To tell Linux that we want to read a file whose name is actually a dash, we need to specify its path. Type cat./dash. Here, the dot represents the current directory, and the slash tells Linux we're referring to the file named dash inside this directory. Press Enter. The output is the password for Bandit Level 2. Copy the password carefully because you'll need it to log into the next level. More importantly, understand what you learned today. You learned that some file names can contain special characters. When a file name could be mistaken for a command option, you can avoid confusion by specifying its path, such as /filename. This is a small but important Linux concept that you'll encounter in many real-world situations. That's it for Bandit Level 1. If this video helped you understand the concept, consider liking the video and subscribing to Cyberpink so you don't miss the next level in the series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.